Doing.
Dean, there's a lot of fish in this hole. I don't know what you and Davey did to my hole. Look at this, Dean. Look at this beautiful fish coming in for you, brother. I don't know what you and Davey have bad luck or what, but Dean, this is the second one back to back, brother. They're right here.
2 minutes.
2 minutes apart. As I put on the minnow and throw them out there, Dean, look at this. Look at this. Don't stop videoing. Dean, look at this. And look at this. I just caught both of these. Champions at the same time. Now, what are you going to say now? There's no fish here? Oopsie doopsie.
And we are at Hazley Bay
And
too.
we're
Have a
at
look
Hazley
around.
Bay.
This is where you fished.
Have a look around.
Better luck next time.
Better luck next time.